All right, so I've got a bridge here. It's a Warren with verticals. What we're going to do is make some drawings from it. All you really need is your completed bridge. So you can see that here I have mine done up. You need to make sure that your bridge is saved with a name in it. If you forget that step, Fusion will make you do it. So you might as well go ahead and get it done. The first thing you're going to do is come here to the Design tab right here. You're going to click on that, and that's going to take you down to Drawing. For our class, you're going to use the ASME standard, which is the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. And you're going to use sheet size A because I have an A size printer. And once you've got those two things selected, you can hit OK. You don't have to change anything else. If yours defaults to ISO instead of ASME, that would be a thing to change. Now we're going to go ahead, when this eventually loads, and it may take a minute for yours to load, we're going to go ahead and place this bridge, and we're going to change the orientation to the right side view. You can see that I'm seeing the long side of my bridge. You'll see that it's very small. That's because it's set to project natively at 1/5 scale. We're going to change that to 1:1 scale. That's going to be true size. We're going to turn the style from visible and hidden edges to just visible edges. You can hit OK. And you'll see that the bridge is kind of halfway on here. We're going to go ahead and hang this over the edge like this. I can leave this on here. This is fine. The name plate down here, it's going to have my name on it, all that other stuff. Might help me identify it later on. Now you'll notice that it is hanging over the edge, so it's not going to print any of this that's out here on this side. I'm going to have to add another sheet, so I can do that down here in the bottom with the quick add. So it's going to be this little black plus down here. I can go ahead and hit that, and you'll notice that I get a new blank sheet. I'm going to use base view, and I'm going to do the same steps again. I'm going to say I want the right side view, I want 1:1, and I want to use visible edges only. And I'm going to place that there, and I can just drop it here. Now I didn't bother lining it up top to bottom. I didn't do any of that. I'm just going to print these out, and then I'm going to have to cut some of these sheets down and overlap them until I get what I want. The next step is I'm going to hit save. Make sure you save this with your name somewhere in it. So I'm going to go ahead and put more, and then Warren Bridges, whatever. All right, once I've done that, I can hit save. Now I can go up to export. I can export as a PDF, and I can save this to my thumb drive. So to do that, I'm going to come here to save to my computer, and then I'm going to navigate into where my thumb drive is over here. That should be your D drive. It might be a different one, but it should be called out. So once you've done that, hit save. It'll be on that thumb drive, and you can print it from there. That's going to be it for this one.